Good morning everybody, class 5. Today I take your GK class. In the previous day I have already revised chapter 13, 14, 15, chapter 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And today I start chapter 14. 14 people and religion. That is number 1, Vatican City. I give you some description of the cities. Vatican City, in full state of the Vatican City, Italian Stato della Cittadella Vaticano, ecclesiastical state, seat of the Roman Catholic Church, and an enclave in Rome, situated on the west bank of the Tiber River. Vatican City is the world's smallest fully independent nation state. Okay. Next to Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, royal's name was Siddhartha. He was the son of Shuddhadana, the chief of Sakko clan of Kapilavastu in the Nepal Tarai area. He was born in 566 BC in the village of Lumbini, a few miles from Kapilavastu. He continued to concentrate on problems of birth, old age, sickness, sorrow and impurity. Okay, now I come to Varanasi. Varanasi, traditionally known as Benares in India, is a popular holy city of the nation located in the central region of the Ganga Valley in North India. This city is not just the oldest in India but happens to be the oldest colonized cities universally. Benares has religious as well as literal significance. The first and foremost temple would be the Kashi Vishwanath temple that makes Varanasi Benares in royal terms. Jains. Jainism is the religion originally from India that teaches that all the events in the universe are self-caused, random, fixed and are independent of previous events or external causes of God. Jain philosophy is the oldest philosophy of India that distinguishes body, matter from the soul consciousness completely. It teaches that the universe is eternal and that every living being has a soul which has the power to become all-knowing. Number 5, Gurudwaras. A Gurudwara is the place where Sikhs come together for congregational worship. The first Gurudwara in the world was built by Guru Nanak in 1521-22 at Katarpur. It is the presence of the Guru Granth Sahib that gives the Gurudwara its religious status. So, any building containing the book is a Gurudwara. Mecca. Mecca is a city in Saudi Arabia that was the birthplace of Muhammad and is the holiest city of Islam. It is the place that attracts many people. That is, now I give you the answers. You follow your book. Number 1. Hindu pilgrims visit this holy city of temples in large numbers. What is this? Benares. Varanasi. That is Varanasi. Number 2. Sikhs believe in one God, but they also have equal love and respect for other 10 gurus. Sikhs worship here, Gurudwara. Number 3. Muslims believe in one God. They call him Allah. Their religion is called Islam. Muslims go on pilgrimage to this place. They pray in a mosque. That is Mecca. Number 4. Christians worship in churches. This city is a religious center for the Christians. That is Vatican City. Okay, 4. Number 5. Buddhists follow his teachings. We can see Buddhists follow his teachings. We can see his statues in the Buddhist temples, which are popularly known as the pagodas. That is Gautam Buddha. Number 6. The name Jain is taken from the title Jina, which means the one who wins himself. They respect 24 Jains, whom they also call the Tirthankars. That is Jains. So, answer number 1, Varanasi. Number 2, Gurudwara. Number 3, Mecca. Number 4, Vatican City. Number 5, Gautam Buddha. Number 6, Jains. Okay, now I come to know the Vedic age. That is chapter 15. Knowing Vedic age. There are some questions about Vedic India. Number 1, what is the meaning of Veda? The word Veda means origin. Number 2, which was the main river of Aryan in Rig Veda? The main river of Aryan in Rig Veda was Sindhu. Number 3, which Veda is known as the oldest Veda? Rig Veda is known as the oldest Veda. Number 4. In which mandal of Rig Veda is Gayatri Mantra mentioned? In third mandal of Rig Veda, Gayatri Mantra is mentioned. That is 5. Which god is prayed in Gayatri Mantra? The god Sun god is prayed in Gayatri Mantra. Number 6. How many Upanishads are there? There are 108 Upanishads. Number 7. How many Purans are there? Answer, there are 18 Purans. Number 8. Which is the greatest epic of the world? Mahabharata is the which is the longest epic of the world? Answer, Mahabharata is the longest epic of the world. So I repeat it again. What is the meaning of Veda? The meaning of Veda is origin. Which was the main river of Aryan in Rig Veda? The main river of Aryan in Rig Veda was Sapsindhu. Which Veda is known as the oldest Veda? Rig Veda is known as the oldest Veda. Number 4. In which mandal of Rig Veda is Gayatri Mantra mentioned? In third mandal of Rig Veda, the Gayatri Mantra is mentioned. Number 5. Which god is prayed in Gayatri Mantra? The Sun god is prayed in Gayatri Mantra. Number 6. How many Upanishads are there? Answer, there are 108 Upanishads. How many Purans are there? Answer, there are 18 Purans. 8. Which is the longest epic in the world? Answer, Mahabharata is the longest epic of the world. Then chapter 16, I come to chapter 16. There are some old names and new names of some Indian cities. That is, old name Calcutta, new name Kolkata. Number 2, old name Cochin, new name Kochi. Number 3, old name Benaras, new name Varanasi. Number 4, old name Bombay, new name Mumbai. Number 5, old name Shimla, new name Simla, new name Shimla, Shimla. Number 6, old name Kanpur, new name Kanpur. Number 7, old name Thiruvananthapuram, new name Trivandrum. Number 8, old name Patliputra, new name Patna. Okay, this is chapter 16, and in the first phase in your class I will give the detailed description. You also follow that in your copy. Now I come to chapter 17. Chapter 17 contains some famous women who are as power rangers become power rangers rank because of their passion for work. So there are some personalities, famous personalities of women. That is, number 1, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Who is Vijaya? I give you some description of him. I gave you some description of Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit was an Indian diplomat and politician who was the first female elected to 6th governor of Maharashtra and 8th president of the United Nations General Assembly. Number 2, Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi is a famous judge of the Supreme Court of India. Appointed to the Open Court in 1989, she became the first female judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India and the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any of the higher judiciaries in country. Number 3, Sucheta Kripalini. Sucheta Majumdar, her married name. Sucheta Kripalini was an Indian freedom fighter and politician. Sucheta Majumdar, her married name Sucheta Kripalini, was an Indian freedom fighter and politician. She was India's first woman chief minister, serving as the head of the Uttar Pradesh government from 1963 to 1967. Next comes Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is an Indian playback singer and music director. She is one of the best known and most respected playback singer in India. She has recorded songs in over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung songs in over 36 Indian languages and foreign languages, though primarily in Marathi, Hindi and Bengali. Okay. Number 5, Raita Faria. Raita Faria Pavel is an Indian physician, former model and beauty pigment title holder. Born in Bombay to Goa parents. Born in Bombay to Goa parents, Faria won the Miss World title in 1966 making her the first Asian woman to win the event. 6. Pratibha Patil, that is Pratibha Patil, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. A member of the Indian National Congress, Patil is the only woman to have held the office. She had previously served as the Governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007. Okay, now this is chapter 17. I give some description about the famous women in India, in the world. Okay, number 18. Now I revised 18. Fascinating monuments. There are some monuments, picture of monuments, and you have to describe these. Number 1, in the clue box, Statue of Liberty, USA. The Statue of Liberty is a 305-foot statue located in Liberty Island in Upper New York Bay, off the coast of New York City. The statue is a personification of liberty in the form of a woman. She holds a torch in her raised right hand and clutches a tablet in her left hand. Okay. Number 2, clue box. According to clue box, number B, Mount Rushmore, USA. Mount Rushmore is a famous mountain and memorial near Keystone, South Dakota in the United States. It has the heads of 4 of America's presidents carved on it: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. These sports personalities. Okay. Number 3, Eiffel Tower, Paris. The tower is 324 meters tall, about the same height as an 81-story building, and the tallest structure in Paris. Its base is square, measuring 125 meters on each side. Excluding transmitters, the Eiffel Tower is the second tallest freestanding structure in France after the Millau Viaduct. Number 4, the Opera House, Sydney. Sydney Opera House, located in Port Jackson, Sydney Harbour, New South Wales, Australia. Its unique use of a series of gleaming white cell-shaped cells as its roof structure makes it one of the most photographed buildings in the world. Number 5, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Burj Khalifa is an extremely tall skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, named after Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and is the tallest building ever built at 828 meters. The building is more than 300 meters taller than Taipei 101. Now I give you the answers. You follow your books. Number 1, according to the picture, this is the Opera House, Sydney. Okay. Number 2, according to picture, that is Eiffel Tower, Paris. Number 3, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Number 4, Statue of Liberty, USA. You follow your book. Number 5, Mount Rushmore, USA. So I again repeat the answers. Number 1, the Opera House, Sydney. Number 2, Eiffel Tower, Paris. Number 5, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Number 4, Statue of Liberty, USA. Number 5, Mount Rushmore, USA. So now I show you the pages. So today I revised chapter 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, and I have already completed revision your chapters of GK. Today I have completed again two times. So you have, now I give you some instruction, that is you also read every question answers, and your exam is MCQ. So you choose the correct answer and put a tick mark, same as the previous year. And so I have also again revised all the chapters, and so I have completed your chapter 1 revision work, chapter 1 to 18. And you have I told that your exam is near about your hands, and you also prepare yourself for the exam, custom exam. And so thank you very much everybody to cooperate with us, with every teachers. So thank you very much. Today I give you okay.